I'm sick and tired. Gotta stay alive, baby. That's the fucking story. All I ever knew, all I ever knew. Now I wanna change, but you're still there. Now you're down, baby.
I don't know about y'all. I don't know about y'all. Watching that clip right there low-key pissed me off, bro. That low-key peed me, bro. Ain't no way, bro. Are you that retarded, bro? Are you that stupid, bro? No, there's no way. Straight to jail, bro. That man really sat in front of the fire truck, had no intentions on yielding, had no intentions on backing up. Bro, straight to jail, bro. Straight, man, call the police, have him rip that motherfucker at the car, straight have cut straight in the back of the cop car, book him, charge him. No, ain't no way, bro. And the man had the nerve to honk when the fire truck tried to move him. I'm lost in words.